I'm making a pancake. So you see, this brown mixture includes sugar cane, oatmeal flour, some sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, milk, yogurt, and not butter, and egg and egg yolk. So until you get these ingredients done, I'm going to stir it one way, like that. As you see, this is making a sugar brownie texture of oatmeal thick mixture of this brown oak wood. So if you turn that around, it'll say that this mixture has included no bubbles. And you see there's a little bit of bubble. So that makes the pancake puff onto the frying pan. I've turned this on so it's not hot. And if you see this, the frying pan is also a little bit new. I think I've already used it a few months because you know it's rotten. Oh, yeah, ew. I don't know if this is okay, but I'll try with this fry pan. So we need a little bit of patch of butter that is frozen. So I'm going to leave that for a while. The frozen butter. I see a little sneak peek on there, but I don't know if it's frozen, so I'm going to test that butter. It is solid cold, so we'll leave that to set in there. Okay, butter, you are going to set for a while. So I'm going to push that hot onto there and leave this to set for a while. Actually, it takes a long time for a butter to set, but I'm going to leave that in there, okay? So keep on stirring your mixture until it gets ochre colored, like that. And keep stirring. Wind it up. So can you please wind the video?